So at the latest property, we're down on the south coast. We bought this property at auction 6 months ago. Lots of work going on, scaffolding's up, it's all happening.
Yeah. Very busy. Builders in, really doing a lot outside and inside, but when it's going to be done, it might take a while. It's going to be a fantastic property.
So I'm up on the roof of the property, just watching my feet here, because we're on the 4th floor, right up at roof level. It's it's a pretty windy day as well, so fun and games. But you get a real feel for the size of the property. So what do you reckon, guys?
Yeah, it's, I don't know if it'll be finished by the end of the week.
You've got...
So here we are. So we've got 9 bedrooms here, refurbing over time all of them, and this is one that's been stripped back.
Let's have a look. Spin round as we chat.
Big Victorian property. So we're going to have an ensuite in here, kitchenette in here, and they're going to be lovely places for people to live in. I mean, it's a quiet road, near the sea.
Yeah,
what's not to like?
It's good, isn't it? I mean, at the moment it's a bit of a building site.
Yeah.
The guys just chatting with the team downstairs who are onto the 2nd unit now, and so kind of 1 down, 8 to go. This one's next, and we'll update as we go along.